Today, I demonstrate another feature in OpenResty Edge. That is, how to use webhooks. Webhooks can be triggered when an event of interest occurs, such as a gateway server offline event. Edge admin will then send HTTP requests to your custom HTTP APIs automatically upon subscribed events. Let's go to a web console of OpenResty Edge. This is our sample deployment of the console. Every user would have their own deployment. First, we need to create a webhook. Enter the global config page. Select webhooks. Create a webhook. Here we create a webhook that can send an HTTP request to a custom API upon the gateway server offline event. The custom API is implemented by users. We support many kinds of built-in events. We can also add more events upon user requests. Select the gateway server offline event here. After clicking create, the new webhook is ready now. Let's try to drop off a gateway server to trigger the webhook. We would use this server. Go to the settings page. Note that this server is online. Drop off this server. Save it. Now we will go to the webhooks page and check the execution history. Select webhooks. Choose the detail button. We will see the webhook execution history. It means the triggered event has been sent successfully. That's what I'd like to cover today. If you like this video, please follow us on YouTube. Thank you.